Hey there, science fans! Have you ever stopped to think about how much we rely on electricity? It's everywhere. Electricity powers our homes, our schools, and our cities. It's hard to imagine life without it. From the moment our alarm clocks buzz us awake to the time we turn off the lights at night, electricity is our constant companion. It lets us cook our food, watch our favorite shows, and stay connected with friends and family across the globe. But how often do we really think about this amazing force that flows through wires and brings our devices to life? It's easy to take electricity for granted, but understanding how it works can help us appreciate its importance and use it safely and responsibly. So let's embark on an electrifying journey to explore the world of electricity, from its basic principles to its incredible potential for a sustainable future. To understand electricity, we need to learn about its three key ingredients: voltage, current, and resistance. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. Voltage is like the water pressure, pushing the electricity through the wires. The higher the voltage, the stronger the push. We measure voltage in volts. Current is like the flow rate of the water, measuring how much electricity is moving through the wire. We measure current in amperes or amps. Resistance is like the size of the pipe. A narrow pipe creates more resistance to the water flow, just like a thin wire resists the flow of electricity more than a thick one. We measure resistance in ohms. These three factors work together to determine how electricity behaves. Understanding their relationship is key to grasping the fundamentals of electrical systems. Have you ever wondered where electricity comes from before it reaches your wall outlet? It goes on quite a journey. It all starts at power plants, which are like giant factories that generate electricity. They use various sources of energy like coal, natural gas, nuclear fission, or renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. These power plants convert different forms of energy into electrical energy. This electricity then travels through a complex network of high-voltage transmission lines like superhighways for electricity. To deliver electricity safely to our homes and businesses, transformers step down the voltage to a lower, safer level. Finally, distribution lines like local roads carry the electricity to our neighborhoods and into our houses. It's a remarkable feat of engineering that ensures we have a reliable supply of electricity at our fingertips. Section 4. Safety first. Respecting the power of electricity. Electricity is incredibly powerful and can be dangerous if not handled properly. It's crucial to remember that electricity always seeks the easiest path to the ground. That's why we have safety measures like insulation on wires to prevent accidental contact with live electricity. Electrical shocks can range from mild tingling to severe injury or even death. Never touch exposed wires or electrical appliances with wet hands, as water conducts electricity and increases the risk of shock. Always unplug appliances before working on them or when they're not in use. Be mindful of overloaded outlets, which can overheat and cause fires. And remember, if you ever see a downed power line, stay far away and report it to the authorities immediately. By following these safety precautions, we can enjoy the benefits of electricity while minimizing the risks. Section 5. The electric grid, a marvel of engineering. The electric grid is like the circulatory system of our modern world, a vast and intricate network that connects power plants to consumers. It's a marvel of engineering that enables the seamless flow of electricity across long distances. Imagine a giant spider web of interconnected transmission lines, substations, and transformers, all working together to ensure a reliable and balanced supply of electricity. The grid is constantly monitored and managed by sophisticated control systems that balance supply and demand in real time. It's a dynamic system that adapts to changing conditions, ensuring we have the power we need when we need it. As we transition to more renewable energy sources, the grid is evolving to accommodate these intermittent sources and ensure a smooth transition to a cleaner energy future. Section 6. Sustainable Spark, powering our future with renewable energy. Speaking of a cleaner energy future, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are gaining momentum as we strive to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. These sources harness the power of nature to generate electricity without producing harmful emissions. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of wind, and hydroelectric dams utilize the flow of water to generate power. These technologies are becoming increasingly efficient and affordable, paving the way for a more sustainable energy future. As we integrate more renewable energy sources into the grid, we reduce our carbon footprint and create a healthier planet for generations to come. The future of electricity is bright, powered by innovation and our commitment to a cleaner, greener world. Section 7. Empowering ourselves with electrical literacy. Electricity plays a vital role in our lives, and understanding its basic principles empowers us to use it safely, efficiently, and responsibly. Electrical literacy is not just for electricians, it's for everyone. By learning about the fundamentals of electricity, we can make informed decisions about our energy consumption, support the development of sustainable technologies, and stay safe around electrical systems. We can all do our part to conserve energy by using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights when we leave a room, and unplugging devices when not in use. Let's embrace our curiosity, explore the fascinating world of electricity, and empower ourselves with the knowledge to navigate our increasingly electrified world.